The Tin Audio T2 Pro and Tin HiFi T3 are both budget in-ear monitors under $100. The Tin HiFi T3 features a V-shaped sound signature with boosted bass and treble, warm mids, making it great for hip-hop and rock music. In contrast, the Tin Audio T2 Pro offers a neutral, analytical sound with flat bass, clear mids, and extended treble, ideal for classical music and podcasts. This frequency response graph illustrates the differences in their tuning, with the T2 Pro showing a more linear response. Most users prefer the T3 for its fun, engaging sound, while the T2 Pro is chosen for critical listening scenarios. The Tin HiFi T3 uses a single 10mm dynamic driver, while the Tin Audio T2 Pro employs dual 10mm dynamic drivers. This difference in driver configuration affects their sound reproduction capabilities. Dynamic drivers convert electrical signals into sound waves through a diaphragm and voice coil. The T3 is tuned for a V-shaped sound signature, which emphasizes bass and treble with warm mids. This creates an engaging, fun listening experience for casual music. In contrast, the T2 Pro is tuned for a more neutral, balanced sound that prioritizes accuracy and clarity across all frequencies. Frequency response measurements show clear differences between the two IEMs. The Tin HiFi T3 features a V-shaped tuning with a significant bass boost of +3 decibels at 20 Hz, providing punchy low frequencies. The mids are recessed, meaning they sit back in the mix, and there's a treble peak at 10 kHz for added brightness and detail. In contrast, the Tin Audio T2 Pro offers a much flatter frequency response, staying within ±2 decibels across the spectrum. This provides greater linearity and transparency. While the T2 Pro's neutral tuning offers excellent accuracy for critical listening, it can sound less forgiving on poorly recorded material compared to the more engaging boosted sound of the T3. In blind tests, the T3 is often preferred for bass-heavy tracks due to its punchy low end. The T2 Pro shines with vocal-centric music, offering enhanced clarity and detail retrieval. User reviews cite the T3's suitability for gaming due to its immersive sound. Audio Science Review gives the T3 high marks for value, noting its low harmonic distortion below 1 kHz. The T2 Pro receives praise for linearity and overall low distortion. Reviewers often cite the T2 Pro as rivaling more expensive IEMs in terms of detail. The Tin HiFi T3 typically outsells the Tin Audio T2 Pro by 20 to 30%, thanks to its established reputation and lower price point of $49 compared to $69 for the T2 Pro. Both IEMs maintain positive user satisfaction ratings of 4.0 to 4.2 out of 5 on platforms like Reddit and Amazon. However, recent supply chain issues in 2025 have led to minor price increases of 10 to 15% for both models. The budget IEM market is evolving with hybrid designs that combine dynamic and balanced armature drivers for enhanced sound quality. These designs offer better frequency response and detail retrieval compared to single-driver models. Greater customization is emerging through AI-assisted tuning apps that create personalized sound profiles based on user preferences and listening habits. This allows buyers to tailor the audio experience to their specific needs. Expect future models from Tin HiFi to incorporate improved drivers with better linearity and lower distortion, along with AI-assisted tuning features for adaptive sound adjustments. Sustainable materials are becoming more common, with manufacturers using recyclable plastics and eco-friendly packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers in the growing budget IEM market. If you prefer a fun, bass-heavy sound for genres like hip-hop and rock, the Tin HiFi T3 is a great option. If you need accurate, neutral sound for critical listening or genres like classical, the Tin Audio T2 Pro is the better choice. Consider your listening preferences and budget when making your decision.